What's good, YouTube, bro? It's your boy Clout back at it again. Bro, tell me why I just checked my tracking and shit, bro. Bro, it's 11:30 at night, bro. I swear to God, kid you not, this shit just got dropped off to my doorstep, bro. Talking about the colognes is delivered, bro. I checked my phone like, hell nah, that shit not here. I just got finessed, you feel me? Nigga been waiting on this shit since last fucking Thursday, my nigga. It's next week Friday, you feel me? Bruh, this shit just got delivered at about 10:30, 11 p.m., bruh. So we about to get into this unboxing and review and shit. This is my first time smelling the cologne I ordered. I ordered 3 Baccarat Rouges. So I'll keep y'all, you feel me? We about to get into this review and shit. Alright, man. Second clip. I just, you feel me, got that shit out. I ain't gonna cap, that shit super duper bubble wrapped, bro. This shit puffed as fuck, if you can see. That's like an inch or two of fucking bubble wrap, bro. Styrofoam packaging, so you know we got right. This is the 2-bottle pack, as we can see right here, 2 different bottles. Then I got one more in this bag right here. Like I told y'all, I've been ordering shit back to back to back to back to back, my boy. So that's how this shit should be coming in, you feel me? Yeah, I've been waiting on this shit. Like I told y'all, this is about $400 to $500 in profit right here. And shit, we about to eat off this tomorrow. Like I already got the sales lined up. I'm about to hit some people up and order some more Canada Gooses. Now that I got the product here, I'm about to do the review and shit. This is the unboxing as we're speaking, obviously, but yeah, I'm about to do the review. If the product is good, I'll fuck around and order from this vendor again. It's just I gotta order 2.5 weeks ahead, bro, because this shit did take 16 to 17 days to ship. And yeah, that's just gonna be what it is. Like I said, if you broke as fuck, like you only got 30 bucks or 50 bucks to start, or just say 100 and under to start reselling, then I would do Cologne or AirPods, bro. Obviously, AirPods is pretty saturated, Cologne is less saturated, and I'm only grabbing Baccarat Rouge because the market for this is like older people, but it's both genders, and people willing to pay that bag for some shit like this. So we about to get into this. The only problem is, bro, I really just want to sell that shit sealed, but I don't know what the real Baccarat Rouge smells like, bro. So that's kind of an issue. I ain't gonna cap. I probably am just gonna leave this shit sealed and just get it going just to get it going, bro. But this the packaging right here, and we finna get it started. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, bro. This the cologne. Like I said in the clip earlier, I haven't smelled the real Baccarat Rouge yet, and I'm not about to even like unwrap none of this shit, cause I just know, like, as a seller, you feel me? And if I was buying some shit, I would want it to look like this. You feel me? I would just want it perfect. But we got the barcode scans and everything check out, bro. The box look on point. So you can see I got 3 of them here. These retail for like $330 to damn near $500. And I'm doing 1 for $150 and 2 for $250. I actually might raise that price, like 1 for $190, 2 for like $330, $340 or some shit like that. But this shit overall, like, perfect, bro. Without even smelling it or opening it. And the only reason I'm not gonna smell it or open it is, like I said, for reselling purposes, bro. But I know that if the buyer was to check it out and open it, then they would be more self-conscious, or, you feel me, conscious of me as a seller. Like, they'd already feel the need to purchase it as soon as they open like the wrapping and shit. And some people might not even do that. They'll probably just scan the code and shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna just leave it how it is. Like I said, I don't know how this cologne smells, but fuck it, bruh. Fuck it. I guess we'll see based upon my seller reviews if somebody's like this shit was dog shit or not. But I gotta make that bread. And yeah, the box color looks on point. I don't have a real one to compare it to, but everything looks pretty decent. I'm not gonna cap. Like, this is exactly how, you feel me, a cologne bottle would look if I bought it from Neiman's, Nordstrom's, Macy's. So I can't complain. Not at all. Like I said, I paid 90 for all three of these, so that's under 100. I'm gonna flip one for like 150 to 200, bro. Pretty much double my money and make a percentage of my money back. I got three of them shits. They did take 16 days to come, so be it, like, keep that in mind if you're using this vendor. Or you just gotta order ahead of time. You feel me? Just gotta be ahead of your schedule with that shit. But it's the 70 milliliter bottle, aka 2.4 fluid ounces. As you can see right there, Baccarat Rouge 540. This is the red bottle. If you all don't know by now, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, the box design and shit kinda fancy. It's decent. It's alright. I really wanna open it and smell it, bro, but I'll do that later when I cop like 10 of them joints, you feel me? Just right now, this is a guaranteed profit, you feel me? I don't want anybody to be like, oh, it's open, it's sprayed, I don't want it, or no shit like that. You feel me? Like, the pack coming sealed, like it's fresh out the store, just looks better. But this got cake on cake on cake right here with the colognes. I'm really just relieved that this shit came in. It wasn't no finesse, it wasn't no scam. Yeah. But that's pretty much it for the cologne review. I didn't smell it. Even if I was to spray this shit, it's not like y'all would be able to smell it if you're a first time buyer. But I could tell you just off the packaging and how it was bubble wrapped and shit, that this shit look legit. There's no like fucked up writing or no different language writing that's not supposed to be there. This is exactly how the bottle looks from out the store, because I've seen it in the store. I just never smelled that shit. But these are the barcodes and shit. They all scan, they all check out. Everything looks great. And yeah, I already got my sales lined up, so I'm about to flip all three of these shits tomorrow for pretty much this price right here. I only paid 90. But yeah. Once again, it's your boy Clout. That's the cologne review. DM me on IG. My IG is in my channel description. If you need any vendors, tap in with me. I charge $10 for 10 items. You feel me? $10 for 10 items. So let me know what items you need. Rather it's hoodies, tracksuits, jackets, obviously cologne, AirPods, or electronic accessories in general. I got you. I'm plugging. But yeah, stay tapped in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Your boy drop videos every day. Today is, but now it's like 12 a.m. Like I said, this shit was a 10 p.m., 11 p.m. drop off, random ass drop off. So keep that in mind with this vendor. Just stay hip after about 12 to 13 days. Just keep checking that tracking number and see if it's delivered. Yeah, it's your boy Clout. I'm out.